Congratulations on your purchase of Raise3D DF Wash. You will receive boxes that correspond to Raise3D DF Wash and Raise3D DF Wash waste container. In this video, we will cover the complete unpacking and installation process to help you quickly start using your DF Wash. To unpack the DF Wash safely, you will need a pair of scissors or a utility knife. Okay, let's get started. When you receive your Raise3D DF Wash, place it in an open area and keep a separation distance of 50 centimeters around the box for unpacking. First, cut the packing straps. Next, cut the packing tape along the top of the box. Then open the box. Remove all the cardboard spacers. Remove the cardboard. There is a power cord matching your local standard and an adapter. You can check the power cord by looking at the label on the side of the box. Different countries or regions will receive different standards of power cords. Take out the firmware upgrade kit and carefully store them for future operations. Take out the hydrometer and carefully store it for future operations. Take out the waste disposal system, carefully storing them for future operations. Take out the waste container functional cap and carefully store it for future operations. Remove the styrofoam. Take out the electric siphon pump and carefully store it for future operations. Remove all the cardboard spacers. We recommend having a second person to help you remove the cardboard box. Remove the protective bag. We recommend having a second person to help you. Together, lift the DF Wash out of the foam padding. Carefully place it in an open area for future installation. Place the DF Wash in a stable, well-ventilated and dry area free from any open flames. Prepare all the components shown in the video. Connect the power cord to the power adapter. Connect the power adapter to the power socket on the back of the DF Wash, and the power cord to the power source. Replace the original cap with the waste container functional cap. Press and hold the button of the drain tool. Insert the head of the drain tool into the waste container functional cap. Place it inside the waste container. Insert the other end of the hose from the tail of the drain tool directly into the hose connector on the back of the DF Wash. Pull it outward after fully inserting it. If the hose cannot be pulled out, it's installed in place. Place the pump into the slot. Keep the outlet of the pump parallel to the side of the supporting platform. The auto feeding station is now completely integrated with the DF Wash. Flip the switch to power on the DF Wash. Tap the touch button. The upper cover opens, and the Z-axis lifting assembly rises to the top. Remove the foam. Tap the touch button again. The Z-axis lifting assembly drops down, the upper cover closes, and the installation is complete. Congratulations! You have finished the guide. For additional inquiries or technical support, please visit www.raise3d.com or contact Raise3D customer service at support@raise3d.com.